Hey everybody, before I had deer buster deer fence, my daddle peppers lived in this area. It was a 16 by 16 hog pen for when my kids were in FFA and they did the Swanee Valley Fair. And so after they grew out of that, it became the daddle pepper fortress, and I had more high fencing like this stuff added to it so that the deer couldn't get into this square. And I also hooked up to that faucet out there, and I had this irrigation system that ran around the whole thing. I could walk out there, turn it on, boom, everything's getting watered. And it was made out of flexible PVC, which I can't find anymore. Could be just me. I think I found it at Lowe's, but it was this coil of black, thick, it's not like a hose. I mean, it's like a hose because it's flexible, but it is, I should show you, is this. It's thick, you glue to it with PVC fittings. It's awesome. And so I had it all the way over there, but now I'm here with the garden, and I thought, let me just pull that thing up. It came out of the ground perfect. Everything's intact. All I had to do is clean out the sprinkler heads. And so that's my newest bed. I'm going low because I don't really see any reason to go high with these beds. I'll make my wood budget go farther. And so here's what I did. I trenched it all along the side, and wherever the sprinkler heads were, I just screwed them into the wood. So it goes all around because it's flexible, just like a hose, bend around, and the sprinkler heads just happened to be where they were. I was hoping I wouldn't have to do any more plumbing work and, you know, move them, cut the PVC and move them, and I did not. When I turned them on, the coverage is great. So yeah, hawk, hey baby. All right, so to put that plumbing in on this side where I had a nice, pretty recycled stone walkway from my parents' house, what I had to do was pull up all these stones that I'd placed here. I had them double wide here where I really only needed single. Then I trenched along the side. So then I had to, you know, pull them all off. There they are. It's a mess. And now I'm tamping this down, getting it kind of quasi level. I don't care if these stones are a little off or not. It's a garden. But I'm going to put in a single line of stones. That's enough walkway and enough garden used for passage. What?